Hi guys, good morning. This is Jay. In this video, we are going to discuss about a combinational chart, which is basically a line chart and then a bar chart together. Let's see how do you can create it. I'm just taking up to get a line chart. We need a date, so that I'm taking a shift date into rows. Maybe a column should work, I guess. A column, and then I would take quantity on the numbers. Yeah, for this purpose I would go for a bar chart. This is making, yep, it's making a bit differences here. Cool. Then yeah, what I would do, I would go for a month and then I would go for a quarter. Yeah, this is fine, I guess, like month level data on top of the quantity. Now on top of quantity, I wanted to understand, oh, we got quantity, right? Cool. Then yeah, I would take sales and the profit together. I would take sum of quantity out, sum of sales, and then sum of profit. Yeah, this will make sense, because like sometimes profit is actually some negative comes in, but ideally the sales is not going for negative. Cool. Then yeah, now let me announce like having a closer margins. Cool. Yeah, now to get this both into the same axis, same chart is what we wanted to have. I would click and then I would go for a dual axis. If I give a dual axis, look at it here. So what happens is that, so the orange is basically the sales, and then the blue is basically representing the profit of each and every month. Simple as that. What is the profit or what is the sales? What is the profit? What is the sales? Simple as that. Whichever is been very close by to the sales, the profit, then ideally that is actually making a better business, because like think of it like we are making a sales of 100 million and then we are generating a profit of 2 million is not used. This is actually producing a sales of 32,000 USD but still making a loss of $1,000. Yeah, it's not working better this way. Cool. Then if this is not inferring better, what we can do, yeah, the idea is to make it into one chart rather than a bar. I would go for a line chart. Simple as that. Now we are in sum of profit. If you wanted to choose sum of profit as a line, the blue color should be representing a line, or maybe the sales. Maybe let's start with profit. It is representing in bar. I would click here. I would go for a line. Cool. Look at it here. The line has been actually happening this way. It starts it increasing, decreasing. If this is not making a better sense for you, you can go to sum of sales and then you can decide, yeah, sum of line for that. If it has been working better for you, you can decide, maybe like if even this is not supporting better, we can go for the other chart to be used here. Let me create a line for this one, but ideally I don't want a month. I would go for at least a quarter. Yep, it's making a bit sense, because the month level data is not making much sense. It's working effective. Cool. So this is what an idea of creating a quarter level data, but the problem comes in here. Look at it here. The sales is basically $240,000 but here it says that 38,000 is been like beyond that. It's because of this two different axes comes into play. So that what I do, I right click and then I would say synchronize axis. If I click that, look at it here, this one is mapping according to this one. So whichever the axis has the highest value, it synchronize according to that. Simple as that. Now look at it. This is what the profit, that maybe sales that is been happening, and this is what the profit is actually. Similarly, for each and every month we get some sales and then some profit along with that. Cool. So this is how we create a lot of visualization with a combinational chart of a bar and then a line together. Cool. Then yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video with some other interesting charts of combinational charts together. Thank you.